Some people leave behind signatures. We leave behind strength. Our story is told in welded lines and tool marks, not chapters and paragraphs. Every inch of metal we cut, bend, and weld, it's more than material. It's possibility. At Ameritex, we don't just make parts. We solve problems. We bring ideas to life in metal, and we do it all under one roof. Cutting, bending, welding, coating, assembling. Every piece we fabricate carries more than a part number. It carries someone's vision and our signature. We're not just fabricators, we're problem solvers. We're builders. We build for energy, for transportation, for defense, for innovation. We build the backbone of industries, quietly, reliably, precisely. And even if our name isn't stamped on the outside, every product that leaves our floor carries one truth. It was made by someone who cares. We take your ideas and bring them to life, from a sketch on paper to a finished part in your hands. We are Ameritex Machine and Fabrication. Fabricate the future in metal.